let me go ahead and grab my wire strippers here. This is 20 gauge, and I always just kind of put these up here, start to get an eye for them. Some of the nicer wire strippers, they actually have a stop at the back, so you can just put in the wire like a certain amount, and no matter what, you get like the same crimp, the same amount every time that you strip. But yeah, and so that looks good, but you always want to leave a little bit for strain. So we'll just cut it back just like a touch, and just leave it just a bit like this. And there we go. So we leave like, I don't know, an 1/8 inch or so. So on this plug, let's bust out the big dogs from iCrimp and just put that down in. Crimp operation complete. So these crimps are honestly incredibly nice to have. You got all 3 sizes in one tool. You do the tug test, and that guy's ready to go. This guy's going to be funny because it's a lot thicker, this ground. We'll see what we can fit. We may end up doing something different here. But let's see what we got. Okay, so it's smaller. Okay, there we go. 16 gauge. Let's see if we can fit it in this guy. If not, oh, it might, just by the skin of teeth, fit in there. And we're all the way up, so let's just nip it back just like a smidge right there, and we'll go here. Missing one. Look at that. Just enough. Okay, cool. So we can do it. Pull out the big dogs again. Cool. That is a solid crimp. I mean, you could feel that one too with how much wire is in there. So these two guys, I'm giving them a little room now. And yeah, so positive is 1. So we just go drop this guy in. You'll hear it click. There's a positive engagement, and it is all the way in. Next, this guy. Another positive engagement. You can hear it click. Okay, just like that.